Interested in making money online? Would you like to give up your job and have total financial freedom? Does living a digital nomad lifestyle sound appealing? Or do you just want to make some extra money to supplement your income? All this is possible. Please watch this video to the end. If you decide to purchase this training, you will be part of an elite club of e-commerce entrepreneurs who hold the knowledge of how to sell on Shopify without spending any money on ads. Sound too good to be true? Well, I can assure you it's totally doable. Imagine having me show you every single product I sell, who my supplier is, what I sold it for and where exactly I sold it. That's just one of the things you get access to inside Shopify Legacy training. Build a Shopify legacy without emptying your bank spending like crazy on advertising. No more having to find hot or trending only products to see success with your own e-commerce store. Growth and sustainability are the most important factors in business, so why is no one teaching this with Shopify? Instead of having single product stores that die out in 60 days, learn how to grow a long-term, successful e-commerce business. 6-figure Shopify stores without ad costs? Sounds insane, right? That's just the tip of the iceberg of what you'll be shown inside this program. The only zero AD cost Shopify training in the world. From setting up your store with the perfect apps, to using social sharing methods and long-term marketing tactics to grow your store fast, as well as keep it growing even bigger over time. Think big picture. Taught by multiple 7-figure e-commerce seller Kevin Edgar. Included with this program is lifetime access to the coaching group where we will be sharing products with you, giving you personal attention, and ensuring you stay accountable to your success. There's no better place to be than among like-minded individuals. Sneak peek of what's inside. 3x0 ad cost methods, social sharing to wealth, branding your entire store and marketing, creating a branded Facebook page, closing tactics for your sales, how there is no competition for us, high-ticket long-term SEO and blog building, email marketing mastery, the best apps for your store, long-term growth with Instagram, build relationships and have customers coming back, easy peasy Facebook ads, the most underutilized search ad method, long-term sustainability and growth automation, summary to ultimate success, and a lot more. If you are serious about making money online, and possibly becoming a digital nomad, look no further and click on the first link in the description. Please like this video to help it rank, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the bell icon on, as I will be doing other videos on other courses that I have personally completed and profited from. Also check out my travel stories and video clips of the various places that I have visited. Until the next time.